The 2018 MacBook Pro 13-inch with the 8th generation quad-core processor starts at $1799 US. That's a lot to pay. Now, they didn't touch the entry-level 13-inch model, which still runs a 7th generation Intel processor. And I reviewed that model late last year. I'll put the link below so you can check it out. But we're not here to talk about that model. We're here to talk about the all-new, just released 2018 models with the quad-core Intel 8th generation CPUs. And what you're looking at is a very significant improvement in terms of performance over last year's model. And we'll talk about performance in just a little bit, but let's find out what you get in the box. Let's open it up. Now, packaging is the same as last year's model. It's still high-end, still very premium, as Apple puts a very big emphasis on the unboxing experience, and it shows. Holding the unit for the first time, it feels really good. It looks exactly the same as last year's model, so all the changes you're going to see obviously will be under the hood. You get your 61-watt charger. Of course, they don't give you the extension cord anymore, which is a shame. And of course, you get your Apple stickers and your warranty and documentation as well. The all-metal unibody design, of course, is top-notch, as we've come to expect from Apple. It really sets the standard. Build quality is off the charts, and it's really excellent.